Hi, my name is Chef Ashlyn, and this is Chef Jen, and welcome to the Tasty Tigers. Today we will be making crab rangoons. Okay, so first you will need 2.5 ounces of crab meat, 2 ounces of cream cheese, a half a green onion, a half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a half a teaspoon of soy sauce, some garlic powder, a fourth a teaspoon, and 9 wonton wrappers.
Preheat the oil to 325 at medium heat.
So next, what we're going to do is we're going to slice these green onions. So first what you're going to do is you're going to want to take your knife and next take the white part off. So just slice it and then take like the tips off of the green. Next, you're just going to finely slice the green onions.
While she's doing that, I'm going to combine the crab meat, the garlic powder, the soy sauce, the Worcestershire sauce, and the cream cheese.
Just give me a second. You could do a fun fact. Okay, so I'm just going to take the like gross pieces out. And I'm going to take these pieces and I'm going to put them in the bowl. And then we're going to mix these together. I need a bowl of water. You can go grab one. Just go grab one. Just go grab one.
Do we need hot?
No, it just doesn't matter. So she's going to go grab a bowl of water because for the wonton wrappers, you take the wonton and you put this in the middle. I'll show you in a couple seconds. So first we're just going to keep mixing these. So a fun fact about crab rangoons is that in Chinese, or in China, they symbolize wealth and treasure, and it's very good to eat them during Chinese New Year's because it symbolizes that your new year will be filled with luck and money, which is always a good thing. Okay.
We're going to lay out the wontons.
Okay, so now that it's done, we're just going to set some of the filling in the middle, about a spoonful, and just tap it in the middle. You can do this, I don't know. So for these ones, you want to take the water and you want to put it around the edges of the wonton wrapper because it'll like activate it and make it so it's like kind of sticky so it sticks together. Just going to move this fork. So then in order to fold it, you take the ends, I'm just going to move that over, take the ends like this and make like a little triangle, and then take the other ends and fold it like this, and then you got your crab rangoons. So I'm just going to set this off the side for boiling later. We'll share these right there. Okay, and then you repeat that for all your wontons wrappers. Do you have any interesting facts, Jen? The wealth one. Should be like on this side. Right there. So crab rangoons are credited with Chinese restaurants, but and culture, but they actually originated in American culture. Okay, so she's gonna take the crab rangoons that are already done and she's gonna put them in there since it's at 325. while I'm going to keep putting these wontons together. And next you just put them in there for 2 to 3 minutes or until they're crispy. And then you put them on a paper towel. That's very important because if you don't put it on the paper towel, it's going to be like dripping off and very gross. Okay, so you go like, oh gosh. I'm just gonna move this in there. Fold them like a little triangle or like a rectangle, and then you fold them like this. So then it makes like, it's kind of oozing out, but I don't think that matters. This is so bad. I have a feeling we're not gonna get I have a feeling. Okay. So plating these is very easy. You just kind of set them on your plate, and then you can put sweet and sour sauce with them. Sweet and sour sauce is super good with the crab rangoons because it just adds extra flavor. So, are you watching the? Yeah. You can probably set. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is the last crab rangoon, and she's just gonna set it in there. And now we're just gonna wait 2 to 3 minutes to have a certain way you like to eat your crab rangoons, Chef Jen.
I don't really like crab ragoons.
I
They're good with like soy sauce.
They are good with soy sauce. I like high chives. High chives is pretty good. I think ours is gonna be better. So I'm a chef.
Yeah.
So. Okay. There's actually no more facts. Yes. So while we're doing this, we can take our. You can already smell it. It smells super good. So now we're gonna take our sweet and sour sauce, and we're gonna put it in the bowl right here. I'm just gonna fill it a little bit. You can already hear it boiling. Perfect. Amazing. I just dropped the lid. It landed top down, or bottom down, so we're good. Okay, you want to check on those? I'm going to move these paper towels over there so she can set them right away. Are they crispy yet? Okay. Make sure you're using proper knife etiquette. It's really important. Okay. Have you ever made these before?
No. Have you?
I have, actually. They're really good. I really like them.
Believe you.
Super accessible. They're ready?
Do you want to look at them?
So just now we're gonna set it up. How do you do this? Okay. Now I'm gonna take them and put them on the paper towel so they're not gross, I guess. This just makes them so they dry faster. These are gonna be super hot, so be careful. I'm just using a fork to grab them. Do you want to plate those? That one? These aren't too hot, but you still should be careful, just in case the oil splatters, which it is kind of bubbling right now, so. These are great for snacks. maybe even a meal. Okay, and last one. Perfect. Okay, so outro. Okay, go ahead and say that one.
Thank you for tuning in this episode of Tasting Tiger.
Once again, I'm Chef Ashlyn, and this is Chef Jen. We hope that you enjoyed our Crab Rangoon segment. We'll see you next time.